What's good, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell, please. Thank you. Hope you like the intro. Yeah, I used that on my the last week's video. It's my intro from now on. That's all the little snippets from all the stuff that I've been doing through the years and the bikes. There's a couple of the bikes that I've worked on, so the videos and photos I managed to get together. I've got heaps, but I've just put a few in there just to show you what I've been up to for the last couple of years and a couple of the bikes that I've built. These store more. Hope you like it. I went and picked up the front crash bars that I got my fabricator to fab for me. Oh man, he freaking nailed it. He killed it, bro. He freaking killed it. Like, he spot on to what I was looking for. So yeah, we'll have a look, okay? This is what I was looking for, the little devil horns looking sort of thing. So that's the theme that I'm going for, because you got the back ones here. So these are the back ones. The only reason why I got that done is that I couldn't use the other crash bars. So the ones that I bought, the crash bar that I bought as a whole set for like 800 bucks. The front ones I couldn't use, but remember when I said in the video that I'm gonna rock those ones if I didn't want the front covers on there. I didn't realize that, if you watched the video last week, I didn't realize that those front covers on the front of the crash bars, the radiators are there, so I can't rock those front crash bars on there. But just giving you an idea what these will look like if those front covers weren't on there. So that's what those crash bars will look like. So that's why I can't rock these ones, because like when I first got them, I thought the covers were just the covers. They just come right off. But I realized that they had the radiator stuff on there. I can't use these anyway, because we got this little vent here that got the front covers here. We got the front covers here. They won't work because you got that little groove that comes down here. So yeah, that's why I can't use those anyway. But the thickness on this is 38. The thickness on that is 32. So yeah, no chance. And we are off to the powder coaters. Dropping the back wheel off and the front crash bar. And also drop in Apex to order the bearings, the back wheel bearings. Since we're pulling the back wheel off, I like to replace it with new ones. I tell you, man, Queenslanders are the worst drivers, in the rain. As soon as it rains, it's like everyone's going 50 and 80. Well, anyways, yeah, so we're going to stop at Apex to order some bearings for the back wheels. Like I said, I like to replace the back bearings when I like to replace them, put them new ones, so we know that there are new bearings in there, so nothing's going to go wrong. And also we're going to stop in Kunda Park at the bolt place to grab some new bolts for the disc, for the rear disc. All right, we're at Sunshine Powder Coating in Kunda Park, so I'm gonna go and drop these stuff in, and hopefully they get it done in 1 week. Yeah, hopefully, but I don't see the chances. I think their turnaround is 14 days, so, but hey, we'll see. I always use these guys in the sunny coast. They do a good job, and they look after me too, so I recommend all the boys every time they want something powder coated. I always recommend them. So, and I've had a few of the boys coming out and then they say, yeah, they do immaculate jobs. So yeah, so if you're in the Sunshine Coast, if you need something powder coat, look them up. Sunshine powder coating. All right, let's go take this stuff in. So drop them off. It's 2 weeks, 14 days. It's there 14 days, so I won't get it in 14 days. Hopefully, they said they said if they can get it done quicker, they'll give me a call. So fingers crossed, will be less than 2 weeks. But I've just got a SMS parcel has arrived at the house, so we'll head back out there. We'll head back home and see what it is and see if it's a part for the bike. So we'll go have a look and see what it is. If we can put it on today, we can put it on. So we'll just before we head back home, we're just gonna get some bolts for the disc and come to park. So get these bolts, eh? She is freaking heavy. How many? No, we'll open it. We'll open it up anyways. Yes, as I expected. Look at that. Yeah. Look how thick that is. Six mil thick. That's awesome, man. Look at the back. That's heavy too. So this is my foot pedal for my back brake. It's my back brake pedal. So I put it on before lunch. Won't take me long. So yeah, that looks sick, man. This actually took 7 weeks to get here. But I'm happy with it, really happy with it. Alright, let's put this sucker on. Take my hat off. Main business. Sometimes you buy these things online and they don't match up or they don't line up. You just got to modify them to, to make it work. Sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't. But if you're onto it, then smart up here, you'll make it work.
Okay, let's go.
Just gonna head up, get some lunch, and then grab some few stuff from Bunnings and stuff like that. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video. But please, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and yeah, and all that. That will actually help my channel grow, so it'll be much appreciated. So yeah, so thank you. So thank you everyone. We'll see you on the next video. Let's go. Oh well. Getting me some Nando's for lunch. I'm hungry.